Take a commercial printer as an example, where quality equipment is a must for stable production of professional print materials. The Ricoh Pro 8300 series can meet these expectations. High quality. Equipped with VCSEL laser beam technology for high resolution and micro fine toner that delivers high definition photos, smooth gradation and accurate text printing. The seamless intermediate transfer belt produces smooth and high quality images. High productivity. Its high-speed engine can print up to 136 pages per minute in A4 and 76 in A3. The toner bottle can be replaced on the fly while printing. The new finisher takes full advantage of the printer's high productivity and media capabilities. The top shift tray can hold up to 1,000 sheets, the bottom up to 3,500 sheets, enabling non-stop printing. The booklet finisher supports saddle stitching up to 30 sheets. High reliability. With the new auto recovery function, multi-fed sheets are shunted to the purge tray, allowing the system to recover automatically and continue printing without operator intervention. Process control system. Toner density is regularly checked and adjusted to maintain consistent quality. Mechanical registration corrects paper alignment and enables extremely high front-to-back registration accuracy. Media capability. Supports paper thicknesses ranging from 40 to 350 GSM. Carbonless paper can be printed double-sided for transactions, check sheets, and more. Double-sided printing on thick coated banner sheets, perfect for brochures. A wider range of color paper is supported with the new contact image sensor. The new air-assisted cover interposer tray can handle continuous feeding of coated and thick paper, providing the opportunity to create various types of booklets. Usability. The new 17-inch touch panel screen, powered by Android OS, allows easy and intuitive machine operation and print settings. Using the Media Management tool, settings can be created and edited easily from a PC across multiple devices. A rich lineup of options is made available to meet diverse needs. Experience the stability and professional quality the Ricoh Pro 8300 series can offer. Expand your possibilities. Ricoh Pro 8300 series.